Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today in this video, I am going to review this particular Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner. Now you will say what is new? This is all old launch, this is not at all a new launch product. Then what is new? There is a twist in this video, so keep on watching. Now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, definitely the Instagram and the Facebook links will be given in the description box. So kindly check out there and we can be friends over there. So do follow me on Instagram or Facebook as well. Now let's begin with the video. Now you will say, okay, Meghna, this is an old launch product. So we'll talk about this product first. This is a Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. It comes in this kind of packaging. You all can see the packaging. It is Maybelline Colossal, okay, Bold Eyeliner. The MRP over here is given is 249, as well as the MRP is given over here 249 rupees. But during sale times you can find Maybelline on 15, 20 or maximum 30 to 35% off. Sometimes I have seen this particular liner on 50% off also. I've seen this liner on purple or on 50% off. No, this is not a sponsored video from anyone. This is like bought by my own money. So this is not at all sponsored video, but definitely I would like to get into your notice that sometimes this goes on a heavy discount of 50% as well. So this is like 250 rupees is the MRP. So within 125 rupees you can find that. Okay, the shelf life of this is normal 2 years. What you get, the up to 24 hours. Definitely I have not tried till 24 hours, but definitely they say this will stay put on for 24 hours. They say it is bold, black, smudge proof and waterproof. This all claims are given over here. Okay, and this is the packaging what you get in this. Okay, so this is the first thing. So now you will say, now Meghna, tell us the twist. So this is the liner. I am going to compare it with the best seller of Lakme, that is Lakme Insta Eyeliner. Same kind of video. I have made it in green color as well. That is green color. I have compared 2 to 3 different kinds of green eyeliner. That video is already up on my channel. I'll be linking that video up on the I button, as well as I'll be linking that in the description box. So don't forget to check. So this is the first liner. This is Maybelline liner. This is Lakme Insta liner. What I will do is I will apply on my right hand side. I will apply Maybelline, and on my left hand side I'll be applying the this liner, Lakme one. Okay. Now additional bonus I would like to show. If someone is running very short on budget and they don't have extra money to spend, definitely they can go for this kind of liner as well. This is Gala liner. This is very cheap. When I got this was on around 52 rupees, but I think this is available at 70 rupees as well. Maximum will be the 70 rupees. So you all can definitely check this also. So even this is a budget friendly eyeliner, but this is a bonus tip. I'm not going to review this. I'm just going to compare this to black eyeliner. So which is affordable and which is you can go for. Okay, I have tried both the one and I am up to a particular conclusion for both the one. Okay, so now I'll do Maybelline on my right, Lakme on my left. Just wait. Now you all can see over here, this is on my right hand side. I have applied already the Maybelline one, you all can see. And on my left hand side I have applied the Lakme one. Now if you talk about my opinion, the applicator of this one I like the most. I'll show you. It is very comfortable and it is very big. Like you can hold your liner from the, see, this is the applicator. This is a very nice applicator. What I'll do is I'll swatch it on my, see, this is the swatch of the Maybelline one. What we will do is we will just wait for some time and we will let it dry. I'll show you the swatch of the Lakme one as well. This is the Lakme one. I'll show you the wand also of this. See, the wand of this is very small. Like you have to go very close to your eyes. Same goes with this also, but this is very cheap. So the affordable, not cheap. This is very affordable. So we can't exactly complain for this. But this is for 130 rupees and this is actually the best seller from Lakme. So what I thought, the applicator is little bit small. Okay. Now I'll swatch here. You all can see, if you talk about the color payoff and all, both the kajals, why I'm saying kajal, both the liners are giving you the best color payoff. You all can see this is the Maybelline one and this is the Lakme one. Both the liners payoff is perfect. Up to the mark, black, total black. But now we will have to wait for a few minutes and we have to check the smudge proof as well as the water resistant taste. So we will just wait for a few minutes. You all can see now it is almost dried. There is nothing on my hand. Okay, I will just try to smudge it. This is the Maybelline one, not smudging. This is the Lakme one. It's smudged. Maybe it must be my mistake because must have not get it dried or something, because when I applied it was there on my eyelids for around 5 to 6 hours normally. Okay, so what we will do, we will just check the waterproof test of the Maybelline one. Okay, the water is dripping down, it is not coming black. Okay, now my hand, this finger, it's total plain. I will try to smudge it. You all can see it is not getting smudged. Yeah, now it started fading out. So definitely this is also not waterproof, but definitely I can say this is a water resistant eyeliner. So if you want to go for some water resistant eyeliner in budget, then definitely I will suggest you go for this Maybelline one, because the applicator, I like the applicator the most of this particular liner. Even this is a very good eyeliner for 130 rupees and during sale times. But generally, the Lakme liners I have seen, they do not go on sale. Max to max I have seen on 100 rupees. So this is for, you can say, for 100 rupees, and this is like during sale times 50% off, so around 125 rupees. So now that is up to you. If you ask me, I like both, but this one little bit extra. Of course, then this is little bit costly also. So now that depends on your budget and your pocket, which kind of liner you want to go. Definitely you all can go ahead and you can buy it. Actually, I have done this video, okay, and as a bonus tip, I would just like you to show the Gala applicator, this particular liner's applicator. You all can see it is very chotu, okay, but the payoff of this is very good. You all can see the color payoff of this particular liner is very good. And when I was in my college, this is my, I think you can say, second or third bottle. When I was in college, during that time onwards, because at that time these all liners were not available. It is right now, at this point of time, this all liners are available. But when I was in college, Gala, L18 and all that brands were very famous. So that time I used to use this kind of liner, and that is why as a memory I keep this kind of, if it gets expired also, I buy it again, I keep it, because this is a special memory for me. I do have emotional attachments with this liner. So this is the Gala one. I will not show you any test or something, because we are not going to right now comparing Gala liner. We were just comparing this Maybelline as well as the Lakme liner. Okay, so this is just a swatch for you. If you want to buy Gala also, definitely you all can go ahead and buy Gala one as well. So I think I have covered each and every point of this. And of course, the Lakme one doesn't come with any kind of packaging. It comes like this only, no packaging, no outer packaging. Whereas the Maybelline one comes with this kind of packaging. So I think I have covered each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happily reverting you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, then definitely give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have also any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section as well. That is all for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.